I recently blogged about how some lawmakers are pushing for new DUI laws that include public humiliation as a main component. As a Pennsylvania DUI attorney who deals with DUI cases day in and day out, I feel that penalties like these will only make it harder for those who have made mistakes to integrate back into society and not repeat bad behavior. Take, for example, the new idea and the new law being proposed in Maine. According to a recent article entitled Maine Representative Proposes Online Registry for Drunk Drivers filed out of Augusta, Maine, we find the following. More than 8,000 Mainers were arrested for drunken driving in 2009, the most recent statistics available, and Representative Rich Cabrera of Naples says Mainers should know who these drunk drivers are. I want a website, he says, the Maine Department of Public Safety, that will have the names and addresses and their pictures, he said. People need to know about drunk drivers that might be living next door and taking their kids to soccer practice, he's quoted in that particular article. My opinion, a DUI registry doesn't make any sense to me. Does knowing that the guy down the street had a DUI 10 or more years ago, or even 3 years ago, make me any safer, or does it just make it impossible for that person to rehabilitate themselves or move on? There are many people who make mistakes and learn their lessons. This type of law will continue to punish them even after they've paid their debt to society. And some lawmakers agree with this. For example, Senator Bill Diamond, who's from Windham in Maine, who served as a Secretary of State for a decade of that great state, said that while he supports the sex offender registry because of the nature of the crimes involved, he does not think a publicly available website listing those convicted of an OUI, which is the way that they brand DUI, would help with the problem of drunken driving. One thing is for certain, as DUI punishments increase and common sense solutions disappear, such as treatment-based therapy, more and more efforts like this will be made to ostracize folks. After all, DUI is the most politically charged crime in the United States today. Pennsylvania residents can be certain that unfair DUI laws like these will be proposed in our legislature as well. This is why PADA, or the Pennsylvania Association for Drunk Driving Defense Attorneys, is so important, because it is a platform that opposes unfair DUI laws and will work to educate the politicians to protect the public through common sense treatment-based therapy.